Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a meeting poll for your groups, for example, on Calendly in 2026. For instance, if you'd like to find out, a group meeting and ask your group or team members which day or date suits them best or their schedule. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to Calendly in the first step, log into your account and click into scheduling here in the top left. Next, you will see this plus create button in the top. You may click into it or do that drop down menu below and choose meeting poll, or alternately here under scheduling, switch from event types to meeting poll and here create your meeting poll by clicking into this create button in the top left. So I will go with this option here in the top right, select meeting poll, and that is going to redirect you to this setup here. So what you want to do is select the time zone in the top left. Usually it will be the default time zone for your account, but you can switch to another one here. So below you may set the duration for the meeting for your group. Let me go with 1 hour, but you can go also with a custom duration here. And then you may select the host. One host will be assigned on default, which is you, but you can add up to 9, as you can see by clicking into this field here. So what you want to do after that is go through the calendar and pick the candidates for the meeting by clicking into the time slots. For example, today is April 5th, so I will go with April 6th, 10 a.m. Click into it, then also the next day, 10:16, and then click into this again here, 10:16 a.m., and so on and so forth. So let me go with 2 more candidates or picks for the list or for the meeting poll. So guys, you will see the slots selected here. You can select up to 40 for the meeting poll. You may also navigate through the calendar by clicking into this button and skip to the next month, for example, or even to the next year. So guys, once that's done, click into next in the bottom right and customize your meeting poll. You may edit the time slots again here by clicking into edit here, change the host, just like I explained a moment ago, and here you may give your group meeting a name. I don't know if it's a gaming group, for example, and you would like to hold a group meeting. Then you may change the location, like a Zoom meeting or in person, or click into all options here and select Google Meet, for instance. And what you want to do after that is click into share meeting poll here to finalize this. And that is going to create that invitation link to your group meeting poll. Click into this button to copy to your clipboard, and after that you may send it to your group members via direct messaging services, emails, and so on and so forth. And you will see the created meeting polls under the scheduling tab in the top left, and here listed under meeting polls, so that you may see the votes that have been cast by your group or team members and find out which meeting suits your group best. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.